Hello, food lovers! Have you ever wondered what happens when different flavors collide? Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure like no other as we explore the fascinating world of flavor, fusions. Let's get started. Imagine a place where culinary traditions from all over the world converge, where fragrant spices mingle with exotic fruits and savory meats meet tangy sauces. This is Flavor Fusion Finds, where boundaries are broken and taste buds are taken on a journey of discovery. In our quest for unique flavor combinations, we meet talented chefs who push the boundaries of traditional cuisine. These masters of fusion create innovative dishes that blend the best of multiple cultures, creating a harmonious symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. From spicy Thai tacos to mouthwatering sushi burritos, Flavor Fusion Finds showcases the art of blending ingredients and techniques to create unforgettable taste experiences. It's a celebration of creativity, where chefs use their imaginations to craft dishes that are both familiar and excitingly new. And it's not just about the food. Flavor Fusion Finds brings people together, bridging cultural divides through the universal language of taste. It's a reminder that our differences are to be celebrated, leading to a greater appreciation for the rich tapestry of flavors and traditions that make up our culinary world. But don't worry, dessert lovers, we haven't forgotten you. Flavor Fusion Finds also dives into the world of sweet treats, exploring innovative flavor pairings in the realm of desserts. Prepare to indulge your sweet tooth like never before. So join us on this culinary adventure as we uncover the hidden gems of flavor fusion. From street food stalls to high-end restaurants, we'll take you on a journey that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful expedition. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering explorations. Until next time, happy tasting!
Like and comment. Don't forget to watch more, subscribe.